How to freeze a row in Google Sheets. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your project, and at the top go to View section, and here you will find option Freeze. So go to Freeze and select how many rows you can or you want freeze. For example, 2 rows, and it's gonna freeze the upper 2 rows. Using this method you can also freeze columns. As you can see here, for example, 1 column, and it's gonna freeze this column. So if I scroll down, scroll up, or move in my project, the first freezed row is not moving, also the column. You can use even easier way how you can freeze it. Here in top left corner you can see the gray area, gray line, and you can just grab it and slide down and select which rows you want to freeze. So if I move it here and freeze it here, it's gonna move this gray line here, and if I scroll down, scroll up, it's gonna freeze this line. Also you can freeze here columns. So now these columns are freezed. You can freeze it like you want, just moving this gray line. If you no longer want to freeze rows, you can move it back to this area and it's ready here to freeze rows. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.